Hello guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to ping flood a website. You shouldn't be doing this, it's for educational purposes. You can do it to your friends or yours website. They probably won't press charges against you, but uh, I repeat, this is an actual educational and person purposes only. So we're going to do it with command prompt, as in CMD. So we're going to be typing ping and the website, the let's youtube.com, and it will ping flood, but don't actually do this. For to make it like infinity time to ping it, infinity pinging, like not like 4, you just need to type in ping the website. Wait. uh you to and then you type in -t and it will be pinging. This is how to get the server's information. So you copy this and you press Ctrl+C, and then you press in ns lookup and you paste that, and this is the information, but the server is always unknown. This is the address, this is the name, and this is the actual address. So that is how you ping flood a website. Bye guys.